Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here. Thank you ever so much for your support.
Jade on the riddim. This one is for every woman worldwide who know their worth and won't settle for less. Have no more to rely. When love was new, everything was fine. You told me you adore me, call me all the time. But as days go by, all you do is make me cry. I call your phone, no answer, no reply. You only come round when you want some loving, with your lame excuses and your petty lies. No more of your drama, I'm done with your games. Right here, right now, I'm saying goodbye. No need to ask questions. You know the reason why. I'm too beautiful to be starving inside. You had a real one, now you lost your chance. Things will never be the same, no second dance. Oh, I'm too beautiful, too strong for your lies. Too beautiful to be starving for love tonight. I'm too beautiful, and I'm walking away from your heartbreak games. Boy, I won't stay. I used to think that you loved me, that's how you made me feel. But it took some time to see your love wasn't real. You had me where you want me when I gave my heart. But all I got back was you tearing it apart. Cry myself to sleep while I'm wondering where you are. Peeping through my window, hoping to see your car. But now I know better, I finally see. You never care about the woman in me. No need to ask questions. You know the reason why. I'm too beautiful to be starving inside. You had a real one, now you lost your chance. Things will never be the same, no second dance. Oh, I'm too beautiful, too strong for your lies. Too beautiful to be starving for love tonight. I'm too beautiful, and I'm walking away from your heartbreak games. Boy, I won't stay. Oh, every queen around the world, hold your crown high. Don't you settle for less. Don't you believe the lies. If he don't see your value, let him watch you shine. Love yourself first, girl. Your heart is divine. I'm too beautiful, too strong for your lies. Too beautiful to be starving for love tonight. I'm too beautiful, and I'm walking away from your heartbreak games. Boy, I won't stay. No, I won't stay. Yeah. This one's for my queens. A lot of them. Too beautiful to be begging for love. We rise, we shine, we love ourselves first.
Big respect to all my viewers for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed these tunes as much as I did. We're bringing back the real Jamaican reggae culture, the roots, the vibe, and the consciousness the world's been missing. So tell a friend, share the channel, and subscribe for more music that uplifts the mind and moves the soul.